Got Amtrak coming in. Hot. Here at Pointer Rocks, Maryland. I have to come in a little bit slower with the curb, but about the only thing that restricts the train. You can see the headlight there. Right at sunset.
And Amtrak Field 29, 1-1, medium clear, Pointer Rocks.
Medium clear, Pointer Rocks, 29 out.
Three, four. Into the sunset it goes. Crossing Canal Street. Next stop, Brunswick, Maryland. Then getting ready to enter the tunnel.